For website to make $100 per day, you can make money online. Duration 611. Alright guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna talk about a full website that you can make up to £100 per day. This is a UK edition. This website work in the UK, but someone of the website which I'm going to show you worldwide. I depend on the country, so if you are watching from different part of the country, go to the website and check if the site is working in your country. And one more thing, this is my website. This website has another 2 YouTube channels, so if you watch other channels, come to this website and you can get more information about make money online, save money and everything. So go and check our website. I put the link in the description. So first website I'm going to talk about is called openfold.com. You can go and join it. Once you join it today, you go out. Because of you are joining today, you are going to get 250 day. And do what you do here, you can answer the survey and get paid. You can say interesting service, be part of the community and pay by bank transfer or people you if you make the news. So you can see from here, this is the international research. I mean, it look worldwide. You can see most of the country here. You work worldwide, but again, going to check out this website, it available in your country. Straightforward, join and do the service. There's nothing here. You don't have to click anything, you don't have to watch anything, you don't have to pay anything, and you don't have to complete any offers. Just do this survey and you can make up £40 from this website alone today alone. So by joining today, you could do a couple of survey and make up to £40 in the site. And the second website is called iSaid.com and social iSaid.com. You can join and give your opinion, and for the exchange for the reward, again you can be throw this money, but you can get it in your gift card like a Google gift and Argos for from UK. And a rewarding £5 gift card UK is available. And our gift card code gift card, okay, there's no PayPal payout in the site. Again, this site is a simple giving opinion and certain servings. Saving these surveys are not long or not big. Smaller surveys you give opinion and get the reward. You can see you if for 90 points you can get £5 in gift card for Google. So you can make the points easily and you can spend it on your thing likes on. You can buy it on Google style, or you can get amazing gift card and buy it on Amazon. It's depend on your. Again, this website only work in UK, I think, but again, so and check it out if it is available in your country. But it's not only UK vision. I link and you have, okay, there's are different languages here, but I don't sure how they are working outside the UK. There is a third one is called Opinion, the Foster 2K, which is the oldest saving site. Before I used to make money from here. You can go and sign it up free, or you can sign it with a Facebook account if you have. One basic website register is free. After that, you can participate in online serving pay of money for each service and earn enough money to be throw it. The minimum payout is 250 and you can throw it through PayPal, or if you want you can get it from the gift card if you want. Straightforward. So what you had to do, answer the save and get paid in PayPal and gift card. You can say opinion. Our first member claimed that then £3.5 million, guys, which is around 4 million, something like that. And the fourth one is called the free web branded branded.com or brandedsurvey.com. You can either, if you type in this Google website, will pop up a branded survey. You can say get rewarded from your opinion. Take several inputs, simple, easy and free. And what you do after you sign, you register your account is a validate your account and save your will start. You can see our savior are provided the market research. You can say our savior are provided by the market research client behalf of the 14500 companies. It's depend on your feedback verification. Your account is honest and answer is the hail. Yes, there is no right or wrong answer. You need to answer honest event usage you and they say if you don't say don't because otherwise the save is not validate after the service completed. Safe way it will be validate if you are qualified you get paid. For that each savings or branded Safeway usage phone system for your reward payout upon successful completions of a server you can earn points. Then take your points and redeem. We will deposit your earning directly into your PayPal account or if you prefer we can convert your point in the gift card with the popular stores or restaurants. As the country you don't want that. You need to PayPal payout here. So these are the four websites. First one is called openfold.com. Second one school I say.com. Third one is opinion out. First.com in this is UK's website but it's work other outside the country and also the fourth one is called branded. Savvy and gobranded.com. Thanks guys for watching videos. If you want a detailed review of each site, go and visit my website. The post will be available in 2 to 3 days and others save a list also. And if I made a money and pay out, I also show the proof on the post. Thanks guys for watching my videos. If you really like my videos, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Also don't forget to like my video.